Hey guys, thank you for coming back to my channel, Cantonese Express. It's been a long time that I haven't made any video, but finally I got caught up. So today we're gonna talk about some of the common phrases you would have to use in Chinese restaurant. Again, previously I have made a video about this, but this is a couple brand new sentences. Hope you like it. The first, we have, what do you want to eat or drink? When you step into the restaurant, the waitress or waiter probably ask you, what do you want to eat or drink? First, what do you want to drink? So you will be saying, the waiter will be saying, 你想要食乜嘢 or 你想要飲乜嘢 飲 means drink, 食 means eat. Depending on what they want to ask you, the key is these two combination. 你想要 means want to have or want to. 想要食乜嘢 means what. 乜嘢你想要食乜嘢 or 飲乜嘢. Right? So chances are you will respond with, I want this one. You're pointing at the menu. You will be saying 我想要, once again, I want to have, 我想要呢個, 我想要呢個. 呢個 means this one. You can use this little vocabulary to point at something that anything. You point at anything. 呢個 anything. 我想要呢個. But what if you want something specific? You want to drink Coca-Cola or iced tea. So you'll be saying 我想要可樂. Coke is 可樂. 我想要可樂. Or 7-Up. We don't have the distinction between 7-Up or Sprite. We always say 7-Up. So 7-Up would be 七喜. 我想要七喜. 7-Up. Or iced tea. No, iced tea is special. We don't really have plain iced tea. We don't normally say plain iced tea. We always say lemon iced tea. So depending on you like hot or cold. If you want the cold iced tea, you'll be saying 我想要凍. 凍 means cold, ice cold. 檸茶. 檸 檸 ， means lemon. 茶 means tea. 我想要凍檸茶. If you don't want iced tea, you just want to have lemon tea, you will be saying 我想要檸茶. So one of the very typical question you will be asked in Chinese restaurant is, after you order the plate lunch or set lunch, during lunchtime, let's say, they will ask you, do you want white rice or fried rice? So they will be saying 你想要白飯定係炒飯? Now, 飯, the word 飯 means rice. 白 means white. White what? Rice. 白飯. This is a typical I want to have. 你想要白飯. 炒飯, again, you see the 飯 is rice. 炒 means fried rice. Fried rice. 炒飯. Now, here's the question that some of the viewers ask me. How do you say or? Or is 定係. 定係. 定 kind of roughly either. Translate into either. 係 means is. either means or. 定係 So the whole sentence will be like 你想要白飯定係炒飯 If I'm asked what do you want to drink? Do you want to have Coke or 7-Up? You'll be saying 你想要可樂定係七喜可樂定係七喜 right? Now you know how to compose the sentence that way. So at the end you put a question mark, it will be a question. You raise the tone a little bit. 你想要白飯定係炒飯? That will be a question. Now, you probably another question you'll be asked is you'll be asking is how long does it take? Once you place the order, how long does it take? You'll be asked saying 個 order 要幾耐? We mix English and Chinese together sometimes just to make easier to say. 個 means this. Order. 要 means needs. Need 幾耐 means how 耐 means long. 個 order 要幾耐 And the waiter or waitress will be saying about 10 minutes. About is 大約10分鐘 10 means 10分鐘 means minutes or 5 minutes it will be 5分鐘 I have a video about counting and numbers. Please consult that video and you know how to count using numbers. 分鐘 means minutes. 鐘 means hour. So if they say 大約一個鐘 means 1 hour. Okay? Alright, so let's talk about you want to order something but you don't want something out of the dish. So let's say you say I want this dish or I want this one but I don't want certain things. It will be like 我想要呢個但係我唔想要 blah what 我唔想要 something. It'll be like let's say if you want this dish but you don't want peanut in there, right? So you'll be saying 我想要呢個但係 means but 我唔 means don't 但係我唔想要 peanut. Let's say peanut is 花生 peanut. Or if you don't want beef, you'll be saying 我想要呢個但係我唔想要牛肉 That means beef. Or 我唔想要豬肉 That's pork. Alright, so what if you want to give a little bit more information why you don't want it? You say I'm allergic to peanut. Then you will be saying 我對花生 peanut 我對花生有敏感 有 means have 敏感 allergic reaction 我對花生有敏感 Sometimes if you say specifically you are allergic to it, they tend to remember better not to put it. right? So here are the common phrases in ordering food. I hope you guys enjoy it, and please come back next time for another episode. Bye.